We are seeing less ships show up at American ports. But what are the data points? Because I've seen on social media that the number is zero, and that's simply not true. I've gone through the maritime apps and I've looked at ports, SeaTac, Seattle, Tacoma, Oakland, Los Angeles, the basic ports here on the West Coast, to ask the question, how many ships are actually there? How many are inbound? There's more ships in port right now than we're seeing through social media, but we are seeing a significant decline. The norm was about 22 ships arriving on a weekly basis. Now we're looking at 12, and that's going to diminish even further. Because of that, we will see ripple effects throughout the entire US economy, which some would be beneficial, such as lower gas prices, but the unemployment rate is going to move higher. Given that, the continued move lower in ships arriving would deteriorate overall economic growth. Now, on the one hand, we've also seen a huge ramp up by companies over the past 9 months buying as much supply as they possibly could. So we're probably not going to see a lot of shelves go empty like some social media reports would have you believe. The longer this takes, however, the less choices we're going to have, and we will see prices moving higher because eventually retailers and manufacturers who are bringing in raw goods are going to run out and have to start paying higher prices. In the meantime, companies are also actively looking outside of China for goods that are tariffed, but not nearly as much. We will see a transition, but we're probably not going to see a huge loss of inventory on shelves anytime soon. It will take time, but eventually we're going to see some deterioration in quantity. Make certain to follow along because I am breaking down all the economic impacts of what's going on and what to expect next.